All right, what's up guys? We are over here at AutoFiber. We have Ian from AutoFiber here. Really exciting news, guys. I'm actually gonna be offering some of their products on my site. I think they make some of the most innovative kind of detailing products on the microfiber side and cleaning side. So we're gonna go through some of the new items that he's got for us.
First off, show you the barrel blade here, which is our new wheel cleaning tool, which is has a microfiber cover on it, and you can see it's a flat blade and it's super bendable, but it's also really firm, so it's going to be easy to control and get in between calipers. And then the other cool thing is that the covers are removable, and they actually snap through the tool, so they're super secure and not going to move anywhere. And then we're going to be coming out with some other versions of the covers with different microfiber material and different handle covers. You can see it sits in the bucket above the rim, so the handle's not going to get wet.
Yeah, so you're not getting lost in there.
Yeah, and it's going to be easy to grab, and then we're going to have different handle colors to differentiate the different versions.
Very cool. Yeah. Hey guys, one of the things that I've found when I use a wheel brush like this, I prefer this kind. I don't like the stiff bristle ones that get kind of fling black. And with these ones, I love it, and that closure system's insane, because usually the sleeve kind of wants to come off, or it's just kind of a nightmare to deal with, and this is going to lock it into place and be perfect.
For sure. So the other item is our mid on a stick, and so we've made some changes to the pole. So first of all, we put an angle bend in the pole to just make it easier to use, and then we have the whole pole is covered in foam, so you're not banging it accidentally against a car part. And then the pole is sectional, so you can build it, you know, as tall as you want. So you can see one here that's super tall and long. That'll work for taller vehicles, and you can even make it go taller than this.
And are you guys going to be selling that as a kit that comes with a certain amount, or do you buy it modular, like as you need?
We're going to start off as a kit with the smaller version.
Perfect. Okay.
And then you're going to be able to add these center sections and buy as many center sections as you need.
Sweet.
To build it out. And then we've also got different kind of covers. This is a kind of a bug scrubber cover. This is a pretty popular kind of like Korean plush type microfiber, and then this is like our noodle chenille type cover. And then there's actually two versions of it. There's the Pro version where the head actually locks. So one of the problems with these things is that they swivel around and they're loose and you can't control them, but this head locks in both directions. So you can let it swivel like this, and you can actually lock it at an angle.
And what was the little button mechanism here? That's just the locking piece?
This button locks it in this plane, right? And then this little knob here locks it at any different angle. So you can lock it at this angle, or you can lock it. So it's really functional here.
Yeah,
if you lock it like this, you can get into grills and stuff with that leading edge, or like in between side mirrors or any different little crevices.
Absolutely. And for me too, like I clean a lot of Sprinter vans, and that may be a good option to help get under the solar panels and things like
100%,
that. 100%,
yeah. Have you seen the Scrub Ninja?
Let's see here.
The Scrub Ninja is our interior. So this is probably our most popular product.
Yep.
And it's not even microfiber. This is 100% nylon brush material. And it's just amazing for cleaning leather, plastic, vinyl.
Yep, I've been playing around with those a lot. I've actually got those coming to the site, because they're I almost don't use a brush anymore. Those things are so beneficial.
Absolutely. And then on the coating side, we've got our Saver applicators.
Yep, love those things.
They have there's like a plastic barrier layer between the, here I can rip it open and show you. So there's this plastic barrier that prevents the coating from soaking through.
Interesting. So where does that sit in the middle?
No, it's underneath the microfiber.
I always thought it was deeper in, but
no,
that's amazing.
There's the foam, and then there's the microfiber, the plastic layer, and then the foam. So the coating never soaks through into the foam.
Gotcha.
And it's almost like a Tyvek material in between.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
It's like for coating houses?
Exactly. That's the type of material, because it's fully waterproof.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's insane. And then these ones are another option. So these are nice because they're Velcro on the side. That's the worst thing. So I always use the Saver applicator pads, but this is a really cool option too, just because I always hated trying to grip on the little, just hold it in place.
So this solves a couple problems. Number one, we designed it like this so that you don't have to throw away the foam every time. And then the other advantage is that it's dual density, right? So it's easier to grip.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Than other ones. But really, this one's the most popular size.
Gotcha.
It's easy to hold. But we have a bunch of different sizes and options. Lots of guys like these for wheels.
Yep. Yep. Absolutely. Yeah. So this was my first introduction into AutoFiber.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, because those things just make my life so much easier.
One other thing on the coating side, I don't know if you've seen our quadrant towels that have the numbering system on it, right, to keep track of which side you're using when you're leveling the coating.
Perfect.
So they've got numbers on one side, 1 through 4.
Yeah, I haven't used these. Is there
8.
any issue with Nope.
No, it's
I was going to
completely.
say change of texture or whatever, but not at all.
It's actually it's a dye, so it's very similar dye that's used to dye the towels.
Gotcha.
And it's
okay.
a dye. It's called dye sublimation. It's a dye transfer. It's actually the same type of printing that they do on these types of backdrops.
Got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it doesn't change the integrity of the towel.
Yeah, that's one thing. I just seen those online before, and I never used. I never ordered it thinking, but no, you don't feel the texture.
And then the other good thing, this is it's a low pile towel, but the yarn is super fine, so it never scratches even the softest paint.
And what's the blend on those guys?
These are 70/30.
70/30, perfect. Yeah.
And guys, we're gonna plan on doing more stuff together. He's actually in San Diego like me, so hopefully we'll be doing some more videos together and exploring the brand some more. So Ian, thanks so much, bro. I appreciate you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Right on. All right, guys, so now we are over at the Gyeon booth with Yves, and so I've done a couple videos with the products, especially the soaps, right? I absolutely love their soaps. I've used Foam, Bathe, Restart. I absolutely love the products. So I wanted to ask you, what's your favorite product? And then also we'll talk about some of the ceramic coatings.
Well, actually what you said, Bathe is the simplest, easiest to use shampoo, super slick. But if you want to step up the game a little bit, we have Bathe Plus, which adds great hydrophobicity. You can use it in a foamer, and maybe your next test put like one pink in the foam gun and 3 pinks of water or 3 fingers of water. Give it a shake, and after you wash, put it in, rinse it off, and you might be amazed. So
perfect. Stay tuned for that, guys. We'll definitely be doing that. Yeah. Absolutely. And then as far as easy protection for people, something easy to use.
I think everybody needs can coat on the shelf.
Perfect.
It's for value for money. You can use it on plastics. You can use it on the side windscreens of your car. So and then when you want to step up the game in coating, there is nothing easier to use is Mozivo. The new Mozivo is like single layer, super slick, easy to use, can't go wrong.
Perfect, man. Well, thank you so much for your time, Yves. I really appreciate you, man. And I look forward to doing more stuff with you guys. I absolutely love the product range.
Thanks for visiting us.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys, now we are at the Detail Guardz booth. We've got Daniel here. They make awesome accessories to clean your pads, clean your wash mitts, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and look at some of the products.
Yeah, so thanks for having me here. So this is the Dirt Lock bucket filter. This is the base for all of our attachments. So how this guy works is, it works on a Venturi system. So the filters on the front are wide, and then they're tapered on the back. So how that works is, as you push everything down, the water and the debris wants to be forced underneath the screen. And how we stop it from coming above is, there's sharp edges and constrictments on the back. So once the debris settles onto the bottom, on the sides here, only clean water comes back up. So it works almost like a pump at that point. So if you quickly pan over there, you'll be able to see how our Dirt Lock works compared to similar filters. So that's the main difference on the base filter in the middle.
That's interesting. You even see a vortex at the end right there.
Yes.
Very cool.
And then, so here you got your base, and then you can kind of upgrade your system and build it as you go. So this is a pad washing attachment. This will snap right in the middle, right here of your Dirt Lock bucket filter. And what it does is, as you push down, it's going to take the cleaner, filtered water from above the Dirt Lock, and it's going to pump it into your polishing pad. So you'll put your dirty pads right on the hook and loop handle, and then you're going to pump up and down just like so. and it's going to flush out all the abrasive from your polishing pad, suck it under the filter, and pump clean water back into your polishing pad. So this one actually won Sema 2022 New Product Awards.
Very cool. And guys, I actually just ordered this. I'm going to be using this quite a bit here. Cleaning pads is one of my least favorite things to do after a detail, so something like this makes it so much easier.
And then if we work our way over here, this is called the scrub and pump attachment. So it works similar to how the pad washer attachment works, but it has a different design on the head. It's a little bit more aggressive. It's tailored for wash mitts, especially like lamb's wool style mitts that really want to pick up all the dirt and debris, but it's extremely hard to get it out. So this is going to provide you a stronger scrubbing surface, and then that added power of having the flushing action to remove all the sediment from your wash mitt. And then right here is called the scrub wall. This snaps into the outer ring on the dirt lock bucket filter, and you can have it in a 180-degree kit, or what you can do is you can put two kits together and you get a full 360-degree ring on your dirt lock bucket filter. And it works on the exact same principles of the dirt lock bucket filter, but it's a vertical extension of the kit, and it works in tandem together. So the debris will all slide down the back and be forced underneath the filter. So once again, it's perfect for your wash mitts, but really where this excels is for your wheel brushes.
Aha, very good.
And then last but not least, this guy here is what started the whole brand, believe it or not. These hose guards, which are now called Detail Guardz, go on the outside corner of each tire, and it stops your hoses and cables from getting caught.
Perfect. Yeah, I know those things make life so much easier, especially for me, especially with the pressure washer, hose. It just makes a world of difference. Awesome, man. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and we'll keep going around.
All right, now we're over at the Rustoleum booth, and they have a whole new product range of ceramic products that we're going to be going through. So we have Rob here. He's going to be walking us through the product range.
So to start with, we got our wipe the wheel and tire cleaner. Spray on, rolls off, cuts through brake dust, road grime, all kind of stuff. Cleans the wheel, cleans the tire. Really easy to use. New product for this year is our Midnight Black Tire Shine Kit. So what's really cool about this is a two-part system. So you start with the clean tire, you apply base coat, let it dry, and then you apply a top coat. Brings out a really nice shine, real even shine, super durable, lasts 3 months, will not wash off with car wash detergents or anything like that. You also have a conventional tire shine as well, so you spray on and walk away. Some other new products we have the waterless wash. So this is just done with the waterless wash, the Lamborghini. Spray on, wipe off, easy to use. This one here, the glass ceramic coating, it's a hose attached ceramic coating. So after you wash your car, you rinse it. While it's still wet, you give it a quick coat, real fast, rinse it and dry it. That's it.
Perfect. And that just attaches to your hose.
Yep, just attaches to the hose. Yep. Super hydrophobic, great water beating, good shine, easiest thing to use.
Longevity on that product?
About 3 weeks.
About 3 weeks?
Yep.
Perfect. Cool.
Spray sealant. Yep. So again, kind of explanatory. You spray it on, wipe it off. Great shine. Then a couple other ones. We have a ceramic trim restore. This is new for 2023 as well. So it restores all the black plastic trim and things like that. Yep. And then we have a headlight restore. So it removes all the oxidation from headlights, liquid wax, and a graphene ceramic coating.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.